Hi guys. How is everybody? Happy to see you. Just real quick. This is rice noodles. Lots of vegetables. And chicken. So I'm vegan. Hi. It doesn't matter. But so I only eat what am I trying to say? I don't eat meat or animal products. It's not a big deal, and I don't talk about it on the channel. But the only reason why I'm bringing it up is because somebody had asked me, I think I was eating a chicken burger. Oh my gosh. I think I was eating a chicken burger, and the person was like, I'm really confused because I thought you said you were vegan. I am. Anything that I say on here that you think is me, it's fake. Oh, big bite. So if I say, this is a chicken burger. Oh, my hair. Woo! Quick photo op. So if I say, oh, I'm having a chicken burger, or because I have chicken in this, I'll tell you what it is, sir. It's chicken strips that I air fried. And then these are rice noodles. Now, 7 pieces of the chicken strips. I couldn't believe this was like 200 calories. Or 220. I'm not eating 7. That's a lot. I'm like, yo. It's just too much. That's like too much. So help me. So I made 5. Oh Lord. I made 5. And I have watercress, broccoli, red pepper, carrots, onion, snap peas, celery. So the vegetables are negligible as far as calories go. Typically, and it does depend on what kind of vegetables you eat, but typically a cup of vegetables is like 35 to 50 calories. It just depends. And then 2 ounces of noodles was 200 calories. So I have about 500 calories here. That's all right, which is good. That means I've had around, I don't know how much I've had to eat today. But gorgeous day. Absolutely beautiful outside. Sunny, birds are singing. There's just wildlife everywhere. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. I was out in the breezeway a lot of the day. Yeah. And then Coco tells me when it's time to come in. She's like, I've had enough now. Mainly the sun is almost pretty much gone, and except for the grass. Oh, look at this. But yeah, she'll be like, no, I want to go in. She'll start scratching at the back door. So I have to lug all my stuff back in. Oh my gosh, I have so much stuff when I'm out there. Please, can I just get like, yo. I have like my tablet, my iPad. Do I need a knife? Like, what is the... I have a tablet, my iPad, my iPhone. I hate tablets. I only have the tablet for this one program, one app. I had to buy it specifically for this one app. Couldn't believe it. I was just like, oh my God, seriously? Dumb. And I've got like my water, all my diamond penny stuff. So her food and water. It's just a lot to bring in and out of the house. It takes me so many trips. That's fine. After this, I need to clean the kitchen a little bit. Yeah. Clean the kitchen. It's not bad. It's just I have to unload the dishes. That's what. Sorry, you guys. I'm using my fingers. I should have brought a knife, but I didn't. So look at this huge bite still. That one. YouTube channel I've been telling you guys about. I can't stop watching. He was talking about there was like this thing on TikTok. This must have been months ago. I mean, I don't know when this was. Okay, I'm just gonna use my fingers to break it because this is ridiculous. This must have been like months ago. Because it doesn't sound like a recent thing. It sounds like this happened like a long time ago type of a deal. But they called it the chase glitch. Yo, I'm telling you, criminals are dumb. Oh, they are a whole different breed of dumb. These people literally thought that they could go to Chase Bank and write a check. Or have somebody's Chase card. I don't know how you do that. And you could get tens of thousands of dollars because you were getting tens of thousands of dollars. You were taking out a personal loan. Ugh. They thought they were so cool and they were just like, look at all this money I just got, you know, for free. I'm telling you, it was thousands of people doing this. There was like videos of people like in line at Chase, like tons of people waiting in line. I'm like, you guys. These people literally thought it was a glitch in Chase Bank system. And Chase Bank was just giving them money for free. Uh-huh. This was a thing. Like, yo. Like, what schools did you go to? Did you go to school? That was so dumb. People are taking out like 35,000, 90,000. Shocking, they'd get their statement. Negative. 31,000 or however much they took out. And they were just like shocked. Why was Chase giving money out like that anyway, though? Because, like, well, to be fair, I've never tried to get a loan like that, but it just seems, I don't know. I kind of feel like there was some shade going on with Chase, though, too, at the same time. Because, like, they had to have known what these people were doing. There's lines going out the door. People all coming in doing the same thing. The manager wasn't like, let's stop this right now and take a look at this. Yep. Yeah. Horrible. He was basically talking about like scammers and stuff like that. Oh, there's so many different kinds of scams. It's so scary. It's so scary to me. Oh. I feel like I can't trust any website. You know how they always have like the first 2 or 3? If you look something up on Google, it'll say sponsored, sponsored. Do not click on those. What's today? It's June 3rd. All right. Well, I'm kind of getting some stuff done. Yeah. Well, this will help me out for a while. All right, my husband's calling. Bye, you guys.